So the question that we will be going to solve today is subsequence. So basically in this question we will be given two strings S and T, and we have to tell whether one string is the subsequence of another. Basically we have to tell whether string S is the subsequence of string T. Okay, now what a subsequence is? So basically a subsequence is a string that means that it is contained in another string. For example, here ABC is given. That means ABC is contained in this. It is not necessary that ABC should be together. ABC should be there and in the same order. For example, A should be first, then B, and then C. But there can be in A, B, and C and anything. Okay, it subsequence is not substring. Okay, so we are clear with this. So suppose here it is ABC, so we see that yes, A appears here, B appears here, and C appears here. So yes, we can say that ABC is a subsequence of this particular string, and we return true. Another example, we see AXC, we see yes, A is here, then we search for X, but we are not able to find X, so we return false. So now I will you how to approach this particular problem. For example, here two strings are given to us, and suppose this is string S. S is the smaller string and T is the string that is the bigger string, and we have to tell whether string S is the subsequence of string T. So what we have to check that whether M exists, then U exists. Here it is also a substring. You can take another example. Suppose K was not here and was here, but here I am just taking this example for simplicity. So the intuition would be we will be using two pointers to solve this particular approach. Okay, so what we will do is we will keep one pointer here. Suppose I will name this pointer as I, and I will keep one pointer here, and then I will be basically iterating through this particular string, the T string basically. So first of all I will check that if I will run a loop from J. Initially J would be at 0 and our loop will terminate on the length of this string. So here the length is 6. So here the length L, I will name it as 6. So our loop will run from 0 to len minus 1, that is 5. Okay. So first of all we will check that whether the element at J, S at J is equal to element at S at I. That means are these two elements equal? We see that yes, these two elements are equal, and hence we will increment J as well as I. Okay, so now we will be checking for I, that whether the element at this particular index is similar to the element at this particular index. Okay, I think it will be more clear if I will take example in this. For example, it is ABC and AHB, ABC and AHBGDC. Okay, AHBGDC. Okay, so initially I will keep a pointer I here. I'll just change the color. So initially I will keep a pointer I here and I will keep a pointer J here. I will start running the loop. I will check that is element at J is equal to the element at I. So here as in the code I am showing that initially I have pointed I at 0. This is at the initial string, that is this particular string. Okay, and here I am iterating through the string that we have. Okay, so first of all at the 0th index we will check if T at 0 is equal to S at 0. We will check if A is equal to A. Yes, we see that yes, they both are equal. So I will increment my ith pointer. Our J will keep incrementing every time, but when we found the similar element, we will increment our I, because now we have to check for another element. Okay, so now my I will increment, I will come here and J will come here. Okay, so now we will check that if B is equal to H. No, B is not equal to H, so nothing will happen. We will just increment our jth pointer. We will check that if B is equal to B. Yes, we see that B is equal to B. Therefore, our I will increment. Okay, and now our I is here and our J is here. We will check if G is equal to C. No. We will check if D is equal to C. No. We will check if C is equal to C. This is the last element that we are searching. Okay, we see that yes, C is equal to this particular C, and we see also we are maintaining a counter. So when we find this, we are counter is 1. When we find this, the counter is plus 1. Then another C we found, then the counter is plus 1. Okay, so finally the counter would be C. So like, are you able to observe that if we are able to find all the elements in the string of this particular string in this particular string, then our counter would be equal to the length of string S. Okay, it is very easily observable. So yes, and also we cannot like increment our counter, so I is only increasing. So here we are also able to check the order, because I is only increasing when we are able to find the similar element. Suppose here it would have been A, C and B. So for this string it should return false, so I will first of all come here, then J is here, then we find that okay, it is equal to A, so I will increment, and here J will keep incrementing because we are not able to find C. So here I will find C, and this particular string will end and my counter would be 2 only. If we were able to find only 2 elements, so my counter would be 2 only, not 3. Okay, it is not 3. So we will say that it is not a subsequence. So with the help of 2 pointers, we are not only able to find the similar elements, but we are also able to find similar elements in that particular order. So it was an easy question, and let's just see the code. So okay, here as I've already explained, I will keep one pointer I at the smaller string S, and then we will iterate through another string, and whenever we find the element, that is whenever we are finding the element, that if the element is similar, so we are incrementing our ith pointer and we are incrementing the count as we saw here. Okay, so we are incrementing ith pointer and we are also incrementing the count. In the end, we will just check if my counter is equal to the s dot length. S is what? S is the smallest string. Okay, if my counter is equal to s dot length, then we will return true. If my counter is not equal to s dot length, then I will simply return false. Okay, let's try submitting this code. Okay, so the code is submitted. Yeah, thank you.